Good morning guys, it's 6 a.m. and I'm here in front of the hotel lobby and we're waiting for the tour van going to the elephant sanctuary. So we will meet some elephants. It's gonna be a cool day today. Upon arrival at the elephant sanctuary campsite, we put on some garments that the elephants were familiar with. After a short briefing of some do's and don'ts, we had our first interaction with these gentle giants. The baby elephant in the camp played with everyone until it decided that it wanted some milk from Mama Elephant. A breastfeeding elephant is not something we see every day. The bonding of Mama and baby elephant fascinated everybody. These animals eat non-stop. After a few minutes of feeding them with mountains of bananas, we had to hike to a different location to feed more elephants. One. After giving the elephants their breakfast, it was time to give them their bath. Before ending our visit, we had a delicious Thai lunch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell to be updated of my latest uploads. If you like this video, click that like button and share it with your friends. See ya!